Hello viewers, this video is made by Python programming from Pydroid application. In this video, I have coded in Pydroid app and made a notepad or whatever you can say a text editor. It also has the same option as file, edit, save and many such more options. So typing in it, we can see it's similar to that of what we use in our day-to-day life PCs. So selecting some options from format, we can see change background color, then selected a simple color, just change the background and then changing the color of the text, and here you can see add date and directly the date when you created is adding. So this is all about today's video. Thank you for watching Eager Programmer. Like, share and subscribe.